Hey guys, let's cut to the chase. It's a quick 3-minute airdrop for collecting future rewards. This special airdrop is from a project I've been in since the start. I bought World of Dypians tokens pre-launch with other investors. I strongly believe in this airdrop, investing my own money. You can earn free rewards just by participating in some activities. Yesterday on their Discord, they launched a Telegram mini app. Telegram airdrops are really hot right now. I'm biased, but my first airdrop rewards came from Telegram. Like dogs, which I got for free just by logging in on launch day. I got some cash for nothing. With Kessel, I earned more because I was involved longer. The announcement came from their Discord community and was also posted on Twitter. I'll leave the registration link below for you to join and start participating. Let's go. You can do this directly on your phone. I haven't registered yet, so I'll do it with you for the first time. Loading on Telegram, let's start the mini bot and begin with Start Earning to receive rewards. Let's take a look. Alright, get started. Like other airdrops, you need to check in daily. It takes seconds. Check in daily or you'll restart at day 1 if you break the streak. It's crucial to remember daily. Set an alarm. I usually set a fixed time to do this. Typically when servers reset around 9 p.m. I'll claim my first day's reward now. There are activities here for you to do. Initially, it's just social. Telegram, Twitter, Discord, and YouTube. Now let's look at the game itself. The game isn't very complicated. You choose one of the boxes, the red one, and open it. You instantly get a reward. I won 418 coins, which is cool. I can open the next box in an hour. You don't need to be glued to it, just open the app when you remember. This could earn you 100, 300 reais in the future. Like other airdrops I've had, it's free and doesn't take much time. The ranking is being rewarded in real dollars right here. You can see people will get cash rewards, which is great. You can invite your friends to join too. In the airdrop tab, you'll see coming soon. An airdrop is on its way. This token was priced at about 3-4 cents in the pre-sale. So when it launches, it could be worth much more than that. This is just speculation, nothing concrete. Another option we have here is adding your wallet. Paste your MetaMask or other crypto wallet link here. If you're new to this, we might make a video on wallet creation later. It's not complicated, it's what you use in crypto to move coins. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment with questions, and hit the bell. It helps us bring you new videos. Our focus is always on 3-minute airdrop videos. Always straight to the point, no fluff. Check out another airdrop tip in the video on screen. God bless and see you next time.